back to another video. Today's video is a little collab that I'm doing with Just Your Nail Addict and Karina's Nail Designs. It's the collab where we take it in turns and we take a picture of something. So I don't know if you remember, the first picture one we did was of the gun camo, and I think the second picture was chosen by Joe, and it was the picture of the peacock. So I'll stick the picture up now of the picture I chose. Obviously, looking at it, I had to choose it, didn't I? So yeah, it's not something, the pictures are not something that we have to copy. It's just to get inspiration from. So obviously it's sweets. So yeah, just do a design around that. So the colours I'm going to be using mostly are the Beetle's Neon collection. The only one I'm not using is the pink, so I'm using 277, which is the yellow, 278 the green, and 279 is the pink, which I'm not using. I'm using the orange 280, the purple 281, and the blue 282. And I'm also going to be needing a red, so I'm going to use this red from Mifa. And I need a white as well, so I'm going to use this white from Mifa. Now when I'm using neons, especially these Beetles ones, I always like them to go over a white. So I'm going to give all these 2 coats of white. I'll just do 1 coat and I'll do the other coat off camera. So yeah, 2 very thin layers of this white I'm going to put on all these nails. Right, that's them at 2 coats of white now, and I've wiped the tacky layer off. So what I've done is I've put all my colours, red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple, on my palette. Because I'm going to put on these 2 nails, I want to put, on a Skittles packet, it's got like a rainbow, and then it's got Skittles written over the rainbow, so I want to put a rainbow going across, like a wavy one, going across these 2 nails. So that's what I'm going to try and do. So I'm going to start with the red on this nail, and yeah, I'll probably speed this part up because yeah, it's going to take me a while. Right, that's my rainbow done. I love rainbows. I love it. Bright bold colours. I love rainbows. Right, what I'm going to do on the rest of these nails, on the other nails, is I want some different length lines, different colours coming down from the top, and I want a little skittle on the end of each one. You'll see what I mean in a minute. Anyway, I'm going to do it in the same order, same colours as the rainbow. I'll leave this first nail in real time so you can see exactly what I'm doing, and rather than skip past the others, I'll just speed it up. So I'm going to start with the red here, because I've started with the red on the top of that rainbow there. And I just want a little line, doesn't have to be straight, just like that. And then I'm actually going to use, instead of my brush to do the dots, I'm going to use a dotting tool to do the dots on the bottom. I call them dots, these are going to be Skittles. There. Get it as round as I can. So I'm going to quickly flash cure that, and then we'll do the next one. Right, that's all my little drippy droppy pieces done. Aren't they looking bright? They are bright. Right, what I'm going to do with the rainbow one, because I want to write over the top of them, they're a bit bumpy, so I'm going to give these a top coat, quick top coat, and then I can buff them smooth, and it'll make it so much easier to write on if they're smooth, because it will be impossible to write over this rainbow the way it is. It's just too bumpy. So yeah, give them a generous layer of top coat. I'll cure them in the lamp for 30 seconds, and then I'll buff them smooth off camera. They are bright. I'm loving these neons at the minute. I love neons over a white. They just pop. Yeah, they're just a lot brighter over a white, aren't they? Right, I'm going to get them into cure for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to buff them smooth, and they'll be ready to write on then. Right, that's them all filed and buffed. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to stick a bit of this smaller one's white on my palette to do all the little bits of writing that I need to do. But I will definitely be putting some music on, because this is going to take me a while. So I'll see you at the end, guys. Right guys, that's them done. I decided to give these some extra Skittles. I did it off camera because, my god, it is now 20 past 10 at night. I started these at 8 o'clock and I haven't stopped at all. My partner brought me a cup of tea up, but I drunk it whilst I was doing them, so yeah, I'm scared that I'm not going to be able to edit it down. So yeah, I just stuck some extra Skittles on off camera. But I'm going to get them top coated. I'm going to give them a Imelino wipe top coat. Get them in the lamp and that'll be then finished. Yeah, once I'd finished, I just thought the nails that had the writing on that says Skittles, I just thought they looked a bit bare. So yeah, I stuck some extra Skittles on. You really didn't need to see me writing a load of little pesky little tiny S's in all them dots. Oh, like I said, over 2 hours it's took me and I haven't stopped. And you know, when I thought of this design, I thought, yeah, that'll be a nice quick easy one. How wrong was I? I think I've said it before. These more simple designs end up, they're a lot more intricate than you think. Like with the rainbow, I had to do each colour, then cure it. Then I give them all a second layer. Again, each colour and cure it. And then all the writing and the little dots and the little S's, yeah. Time does add up doing all these little tiny bits and bats. So yeah, these designs that look quite simple, they're actually not simple at all. They're very time consuming. So yeah, 2.5 hours this has took me. Anyway, I'll get these cured in the lamp and that'll be them done. Thank God. Right guys, that's them all done. I quite like them. I'm really happy with them. I think I did quite well to get them matched up. I think they match up perfect like a jigsaw puzzle. Yeah, I quite like them. They are bright. Very bright. Yeah, I'm happy with them. Remember guys, this is a collab with Just Your Nail Addict and Karina's Nail Designs. I can't wait to see what they come up with this one. I'll leave the picture up again of the inspiration picture I took and gave to them. But yeah, I'll leave both their channel links pinned in the comments, and you can go and see what they came up with. But yeah, I went with Skittles and I really like them. So that's it guys. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to my channel with your notifications turned on so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in the next one. Take care. Bye.